Okay, here we go. I think I have everything in order this time. My third time recording the video. Um, so now I know that I have enough storage on my computer this time. I've deleted some things. And I know that the video has to be under 15 minutes, so I'm shooting for 10. All right, I'm shooting for each entry, journal entry, to be 10 minutes. And eventually, as I'm able to get more time, then I'll be able to talk more. It was very therapeutic spending 30 minutes talking about each chart yesterday. I spent like 30 minutes on the monthly, weekly, and the daily, about 20 minutes on like a weekly perspective of the weekly range. It was nice. I did a recording for the Monday's price action. Beautiful thing, but wasn't able to share any of it with you. So as long as I stay on track, I should be able to share this entry with you. So let's see, this is the monthly analysis, Sunday, July 30th, 2023. We don't have July's closing price yet, but that's okay. There's still a lot of information on this chart and a lot of things to glean from it. Immediately, when I look at this monthly chart, I see that these lows have been taken out. I see that we've been trending down. Lows have been taken out. Highs above here, lows above here. So with a monthly chart, this is a very large distance in price, very large range. So that's what I want to focus in on. We want to focus in on this range here. So within this range, I know that I have my low and I have my high. What rests below my low is sell side liquidity. What rests above my highs is buy side liquidity. In the middle of that, I have my equilibrium. So below my equilibrium, I have my discounts, right? I'm just going to remind myself right here. I have my discounts right here below equilibrium. All right, and then I have my premium PD arrays above equilibrium. All right, and we're just going to start right there. That looks nice already. Going from this, what am I looking at, to, all right, this is my range, this is my high, this is my low, my equilibrium, and my PD arrays, right? Finding my way through price. I love it. I love it. Okay, so below equilibrium, what do I have? I have my monthly busy, right? Yeah. So, of course, down here, I have my sell side listed. This would be my rejection block, 50% of my rejection block here, right? Let's see. This, I think I would go to a lower time frame if I wanted to get an order block. I would be more happy with a weekly, right? So, not really void of liquidity. We do have sell side, we have buy side, no breaker, no mitigation. Okay, I'm happy with this level on the monthly, all right, on the discount side. So then we have this CIBI. Now hold on, before we put that CIBI on there, this is the CIBI that pops out to me. That is what I see in price, right? But being that I'm currently under the tutelage of the Mr. ICT himself, this CIBI was also pointed out to us. So, and we see how price, I don't know what's going on with my fingers today. It's a laptop. We see how price reacted there, swift rejection, right? We were also told to watch. Let me break this out a little bit. Let's see. I may have to grab the mouse. It's not working. Okay. Right here, we can also see the consequent encroachment of that monthly wick that ICT was telling us about. The price really just went right up there and rejected. So we have that as well. I do have my quadrants on for that wick, which would be a gap in price and consequent encroachment of that gap. But I'm not going to have it on right now. I usually like the way it looks on a lower time frame. With all this, it gets to be too much. So I'm going to take that off, but know that I do have that noted. All right. And then we have, what else has not been seen here? Well, that's the monthly city that I like. So for my premium arrays here, what do I have? I have my old high, right? I have my rejection block here, right? I have my level of mitigation here, right? My bullish market structure shift took place on the monthly at that level. Let's see. I have my mitigation block, and I have my down close candle near support that was broken within my mitigation block. Okay, and there's points of interest within these PD arrays as well. All right. I also have my fair value gap. All right. I don't have a order block listed here. All right. I don't really see a liquidity void really clear here. All right. I have my mitigation, which means that I don't have my breaker. So, all right. I like how this looks. All right. And I'm being honest, like this looks good to me. I feel like there's enough information. At one point, I would have been sitting here like still looking, but I feel like there's enough information here. And being that I trade, daily, intraday, if there's something on this monthly that I do not see, then I'll be able to see something on the weekly and catch it before I'm trading in the wrong direction on, a couple minute chart or whatever. So, wow, time goes by fast. I remember I was talking for 30 minutes. Got like 4 minutes left. So let me go ahead and the other thing that I like to do before I get off my monthly chart here is I like to put in my open, high, low, and closes for the month. So currently I have March low. I'm at March high and March low. April low, April high, the open and close for April as well. I have May low, May high, May close, and May open. June high, June low, June close, and June open. All right. And the same thing for July, just that we don't have July's closing price yet. We'll have it tomorrow. So that's basically what I have for my monthly chart. I'm comfortable with this information, with using these tools from the monthly chart to get the information I need to trade on a lower time frame. So I'm happy with it. Let's see. I'm going to look at the weekly chart with the same information on here. Downtrend, high, January 11th, 2021, April 5th, 2021. All the way down to September of the next year. Now we're tracing all the way up from September of last year. Where do we go here? We'll see, because we can go down, we can go up. We're above equilibrium into a premium, but I also want to note here that within this range, we're in the discount range. So it would be nice if we could sell down from a monthly SIBI if we were actually going down, but this is the discount range, so we could actually go down from here into a level of premium to buy. Wait, I don't want to say that wrong. So now we're currently in a discount range. So that would be a good level to buy from. There we go. But if we were to reach up here into this premium range on the monthly SIBI, that would probably be a good place to sell from back down to equilibrium or back down to a discount to buy from. So that's what I wanted to say. Glad it came out right. Let's see. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to kind of go down through time frames, kind of so we can just see the amount of information that we just broken down. Because before I didn't appreciate the amount of information that I was getting from a monthly chart, but now I'm able to see the significance of price and price being priced. You know what I mean? Like, you guys know what I mean. Any student of ICT knows what I mean. Like, price is price. We're using those monthly levels on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, I gotta go. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. This just looks nice. This looks beautiful. I have like a minute on my timer left, so I'm just kind of admiring price with these monthly levels on here. Absolutely beautiful. There gotta be something that I'm missing down here. Pretty sure there is. I gotta go. All right. See you later. I gotta go. I gotta go. That was dope. That was dope. Oh,